Today, we're gonna measure all of this. It's month 14 of the tweed because, you know, we're doing the 2-year beard growth now. We've done the 1 year, absolutely smashed it. Time to go on to year 2. Obviously, I had to trim around the year mark just to get it all a little bit tidier. So I probably took off half an inch to an inch at that point. But now, let's go for it. Let's see how long this beard has grown. I think it's around the 8-inch mark. So if I go from just under my lip, just here, and then just drag the hairs out, I think it's gonna touch right at the bottom there. Oh my God, I just pulled out. Look at that. I just destroyed part of the beard by trying to measure it. And it's just crazy the amount of color in her. Some brown, some blonde, some grey. But let's try and avoid doing that too often. But yeah, the beard is measuring at 8 inches in length. When I kind of extend it out, it curls up quite a bit. But as you can see, it's getting this really kind of full sort of look going on right now. And I mean, it probably comes out like crazy amounts here as well. And the mustache, the mustache is growing fairly well. I've trimmed the mustache a bit more than anywhere else on the beard. But let's just go from the middle to the ends. Let's just try and find the ends. Let's just do it loosely from here to here. And we're looking at about 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches on the mustache, probably either side. So that kind of gives my mustache a wingspan of 7 inches, which is pretty damn impressive. I mean, I'm looking at growing out the mustache significantly, well, going forward really. And as you can see, the curls are really starting to come in. It sits nicely. It's sitting nicely above the beard, but the beard is feeling good. It's looking good. It's growing good. It's at the 8-inch mark now after 14 months. Probably could have been closer to 9.5 had I not done some sort of maintenance trim around the year mark. But hey, it's going well. And I think the challenges when you're growing a beard is don't get too hung up on comparing it to someone else's beard. I mean, my beard is nowhere near the size of some awesome beards I've seen out there. And if I was comparing myself to them, I'd probably just give up now, trim it, keep a short beard and just go with that. But for me, I think there's something special about trying to grow out a massive beard, a really long beard like this. So we're just gonna keep going, see what happens, go from there. Anyway, my friends, I'll see you very soon. We're gonna talk about lots of things going forward. And the office is one. This room is gonna get completely changed up. And I've also got a new wider lens that I'll be using very soon. So you can get kind of, you know, hopefully most of me in shot rather than just like a forehead to part of my beard. See you soon, my friends. Goodbye.